Welcome. In this video, I will show you why you should learn JavaScript. Okay? So, JavaScript is a programming language. JavaScript is a programming language, and it has a thing that is beautiful. So, it runs everywhere. Okay, so you may think, oh, wait, it's not true, it does not run anywhere, it does not run, don't know, perhaps this programming language does not run on sheets of paper. Okay, if you have a sheet of paper, you write a JavaScript program on it, it won't run. Okay, but otherwise, if you write a JavaScript program, then you can put it on the internet where there are lots of sites. I'm not going to tell you, but there are loads. Then you can execute it from every device, and it's beautiful. So, for you have an iPad, can run it. An Android phone can run it. So really, it's a programming language that can run everywhere. It's beautiful. All you have to do is to open the block note. Okay, you open Notepad. Okay, you just write Notepad and it just starts. Okay, and then you have to write this. Sadly, you must remember this by heart, but anyway, it's not a daunting task. You must just write doc type HTML5, and then body, then script, then a second, body and script with a slash right here, and right here you can put your code and your comments. These are comments, they are not going to be executed. So let's make something simple. Let's just document dot write I am here. Okay, so let's just run the script. You just save it with the name as our file .html. Okay, so yeah, sorry, they didn't save it. Save with name. Okay, so second HTML, here we go, and then you double click here and you will see a second. I don't know why it is opening so slowly, I don't know. And then you should see document right, I am here. Okay, so okay, JavaScript is also a simple programming language. You don't have to be proficient to use it. Okay, I am not good at this programming language, but I can use it. I fixed the bug. Okay, it should work just fine now, but it does not. Okay, this is I don't like this. Okay, let's run. Please be patient. Oh, it worked. Okay, I'm gonna say a thing. A programming language is not going to work every time, okay? Because a programming language is a complicated thing, and it may not work simply, and you'll not be able to understand why. It happens even to professionals, okay? It happens every time. So, it has control structures, and you can do all the math you want. So, you can say write a thing that is called A, and here you say A is a sum. So, well, what have we done? Okay, so then you run it, and here you should have okay, a number that is the sum you said earlier. Okay, so it's pretty clear how this works. But you may say, but I have a calculator, of my computer. If I write calculator, okay, I can calculate numbers with it, and I really don't need this programming language. Okay, it runs everywhere, but it has no meaning, and they will answer you that you need it indeed, because if you want to do something a little bit more complex. So if you want to know simple thing, the first 100 perfect square numbers. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on. You can use a calculator, but well, you should love your fingers. So now we're going to do a JavaScript program that prints the first 100 perfect squares. It's gonna be very simple, okay? Equals 0. Okay, you know what it means, okay? It means they have a thing that is called A and it was 0. So I say while A is less than 101, then you must print, no, sorry, document dot write and multiplied by n, no, a multiplied by a, and you should also increment it, so a equals a plus 1 that you can write as a plus plus if you like it more. So here it is. It's a very small, very simple code. It should run without errors, and here it is. It runs without errors. Okay, there are no spaces, so let's add a space at the end of the numbers. So document write plus an empty space, so that we will be able to read them. Okay, so here we have them. So we have the first 100 square numbers, and we don't have to type them. Also, we may not want the first square numbers. We may want the first triangular numbers. So we may want let's write nth triangular equals to all the numbers. So let's say 8 triangular means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 itself. Okay, there's a formula for it. Okay, We could do it recursive with this type, with this kind of sum, but that's not the case because we have a very simple formula that is a plus 1 divided by 2. So here it is our formula. It's pretty simple. A second, please. A second. One more, okay. And now we should have all the first triangular numbers. Let's run this again. And here we have them. Okay. So 1 is the sum of 1 itself. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 3, and so on. Okay? So JavaScript is really takes a tiny amount of time to learn the basics. Then of course you want to be a professional programmer of JavaScript, then it will take you a lot of time, but these things are really simple and learnable without too much strain. Also, with a bit of time searching into Google, you will find lots of documentation about JavaScript. Then there is a site called Stack Overflow that is beautiful. So that was my video. I really enjoyed speaking a bit to you of the internet, and that's it. It's been simple for me to speak to you, and I've been happy if you watch this video all. So bye bye, thanks for watching.